Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing well, and I'm pretty good. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys our rain. It has been raining maybe 5 or 6 hours, and it's really amazing for me, and it's really nice. Just look at this, our house roof, and there are many plants over there as you can see, and also vegetables over there, and it's make me very happy. Really, it's natural beauty. I think you guys also like this such kind of place, and I enjoy this a lot because I love rainy season and rainy day and rainy. So I enjoy this, and it's morning time, and just I wake up. Just now, I just wake up from my bed. Get up from my bed. So okay, let's have a look. And maybe you being able to see farmer field, farmer farm from here. I think this is our house road, and today is rainy day. It's really amazing for me, and I am very happy today because I can't explain, guys. I can't explain by what how I am happy today for this kind of rainy. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, if you like my videos and want to be a good speaker in English and want to be learn English from me, just subscribe my YouTube channel and get many more videos like this. So okay, subscribe my YouTube channel. It will be very much of pleasure for me and inspiring me for making many more videos like this. So okay, bye bye.
বসে না শহরে ইট পাথরের নগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে। এই সাগর পারে আইসাই আমার মাতাল মাতাল লাগে, এই রূপ দেখিয়া মন পিঞ্জরাই সুখের পঙ্কি ডাকে। পাতাম যদি তাইকা যাইতে এই সাগরের পারে, ঝিনুক মালা গাইতা কাটাই দিতাম জীবনটা।